What's up, guy? Welcome back to my channel, Self Rebuild. Okay, today we will be working on our 2013 Ford Fusion. So we got all the part here, we got the grill ready. So now we're about to replace the core support and everything, replace the strut, everything. And today we'll be doing our first test drive. So let's get it. So new day working on my cars. So I will replace this one because there's a tab that is broken on the side. So I have this part from the dealership. So I think I'm gonna put some time lapse. Let's get it. So I put the new core support back. So we're gonna check out if the gap. I know this gap on this side is super big, but I'm still gonna work on it. I want to make sure that everything fits properly, and then yeah. So I'm about to put in another time lapse, put everything back together, check everything back, and we'll be good. So first test drive. So I've been driving like for maybe it's an hour distance from the place where the car was parked to my house. So I'm going home now. So far the car drive good, but I think the rear strut need to be addressed. So I will have to work on it. Yeah, so far everything is good, everything is nice. I have like maybe 40 more minutes to go. So yeah, I need one more bulb because one of my headlights is not working properly. So beside that, everything is nice, and wish me good luck. Okay guys, after the first drive we realized the noise coming from the left rear side strut. So it have to be replaced. So I ordered a new strut, so we will be replacing the rear strut and see what's gonna happen. So far that's the only noise coming from this place that we need to fix. So hopefully when we replace it, we're not going to hear the noise anymore. So let's get it. Alright, so I replaced the rear strut. It was not that difficult, so I have another video coming to show step by step how to replace the strut in the Ford Fusion. It's a really easy process, you just have to be careful. So now I'm done. I will try to do another test drive to see what's gonna happen if the nose is still there. Let's get it. So first test drive in our Ford Fusion. Ooh, clean looking car. I love this car. I love this car. So the screen is working. Everything is working perfectly in this baby. Everything is working perfectly clean. We did a wonderful job, an extremely good job in this car. Did a good job in this car. So yeah. So we're going to, just drive around somewhere here. Ooh, but did it try what I'm trying to do, Ably? What you doing, Ably? What you doing, Ably? Backup camera on point. Alright. Alright. What's that noise? It's working good. I don't hear the noise. I told you guys I had a noise in the back, and it's driving good. Driving good. I can't complain. Just gonna stop the video here so I can focus on my driving. All right, thank you guys. All right. So everything is done. So I'll replace this one, but I still need to fix this gap. All right, I need to put this thing here. I'll put this rocker panel. So everything is nice to go. Replace everything. So all right, so the project is done. How it look like? Need to have a few adjustments. Rocker panel is back. So I'll replace this suspension. This rear shock has been replaced. Yeah. I'll put the rear view camera. Rear view camera is on. Replace the radio. The car still needs to be clean. Other than that, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Headlight replace, but I want to upgrade with a better one in the future. So yeah, other than that, we're good. So yeah, so we need to paint this one, but I think that's gonna have to wait for a little bit. We passed the Virginia inspection. So since it's a salvage car, I have to send it to Richmond, Virginia. I have to get a rebuild title, but I already passed the inspection, so I'm just waiting for the title to be approved. All right, guys, that was the project's done on my Ford Fusion. More video coming out. Okay, peace.